Have you ever noticed some people act like an average person or dumb person, but when it comes to reward, that reward carries their name? If you have also noticed that, so this video is for you. Hi, my name is Mohit Samaria. I welcome you on my YouTube channel Mohit Experience. In this video, I am explaining 21st law of the 48 laws of Power Book, and I have already created 20 video based on this topic. So if you didn't watch my those video, so you can go and check that out. And in this video I am explaining 21st law of the 48 laws of Power Book. So make sure you watch this video till the end and subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon button. And if you want to get free PDF of this book, just let me know in the comment section. So the 21st law of the 48 laws of Power Book, that is play a sucker to catch a sucker. This law says that when you act like a average person and when you act like a dumb person, people don't try to compete with you. But when you show how intelligent you are, when you show what you know, which information do you have, people try to compete with you. And when people try to compete with you, you born lots of threat, and you born lots of competitor for you. So this is what this law says. Whenever you are doing something, so act like you are an average person, act like you don't know anything. But when you show your all intention, when you show how intelligent you are, people try to compete with you. This law is not about being a stupid person. This law is about being a strategic person. Because showing intention will not give you power and respect, but hiding your talent, how hiding your intelligence can sometimes give you power, respect. Because when people don't know about you, when people don't know what are you doing, they will never try to compete with you. And if people are not try to compete with you, you will be on the limelight. Let me make you understand with an example. Once there was a Mohit named boy in a school. He did not studied in his class. He used to talk to every student of his class, and there were lots of students in his class, and those students used to think that Mohit was a average person, Mohit was a dumb person. But when result came, that result was in the Mohit name. That result was carried Mohit name, and that time every student were on the cloud nine. Mohit blew their mind, because every student used to think that Mohit was an average person. But when result appeared, that result was carrying Mohit name. This is what this law says. When you show how intelligent you are, you create lots of competition for you. This is what this law says. So this was the 21st law of the 48 laws of Power Book. And if you want to know more about this book, so make sure you subscribe this channel. And if you want to get free PDF of this book, so just let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video.